Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to disconnect earbud to our Vivo phone. Guys, you want to disconnect this earbud in your Vivo phone, so guys you can disconnect it. And guys, now let's see how to disconnect earbud to our Vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you disconnect it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So friends, first of all come in your phone setting. Then guys click on Bluetooth setting, click on guys Bluetooth. So as you can see guys, we have connected this earbud in our Vivo phone, and guys we will disconnect. So guys, how to disconnect? As you can see the right side guys is setting option, so guys click here and guys disconnect option. So with this earbud will disconnect in our Vivo phone guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to disconnect earbud to our Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.